In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate email with Zoho CRM. Connecting your email to Zoho CRM is one of the best ways to keep all your sales conversations organized in one place. By the end of this walkthrough, your emails will sync directly into your CRM, so you can see the full history of your communication with leads and customers without jumping between different apps. Let's start inside Zoho CRM. First, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the small gear icon. This is your main settings area. Go ahead and click that. On the settings page, you'll see several sections. Look for the section called Channels, and under Channels, click on Email. This is where you'll manage all the email-related options for your CRM. On the email page, you'll either see a button that says Get Started if you haven't connected an email yet, or Add New Account if you already have something set up. Click the button that appears for you. Zoho will now ask you to choose your email provider. You can pick Gmail, Outlook, or Other Mail. Use Other Mail if you're using a custom domain or a provider that isn't listed. When you see the option for IMAP or POP, choose IMAP. IMAP is recommended because it keeps your email in sync across multiple devices, so changes you make on your phone, your desktop, or inside Zoho CRM all stay up to date. Next, you'll be prompted to authorize Zoho to access your email account. Enter your email address and password, or follow the on-screen authorization flow if you're using a provider like Gmail or Outlook with OAuth. Once you've successfully logged in or authorized the connection, Zoho will ask you to set your email sharing permissions. This controls who on your team can see the emails synced into the CRM. You'll typically see options like private, public, or shared. Private means only you can see your emails. Public means everyone with access to the record can see them, and shared usually lets you define slightly more controlled visibility. Choose the level that best fits your team's privacy and collaboration needs. When you're done, click Save to confirm the configuration. Finally, while you're still in the Email Settings tab, look for the option called Email Tracking. Turn this toggle to On. With tracking enabled, Zoho CRM will show you when recipients open your emails and click on links, giving you helpful insight into engagement and timing for follow-ups. And that's it. Your email is now integrated with Zoho CRM, ready to log conversations and track activity automatically.